Hi everyone, welcome back to Flamboyant Creations. Today we are taking you behind the scenes of this super cute Cocomelon first birthday setup. From the dreamy canopy tent to the adorable table setup, we're showing you exactly how we brought this Lilac kids party together. We started off by laying down our artificial grass and getting everything ready for the canopy tent. Then came the fun part, choosing our colors. We played around with lilac, pastel green, orange, blue to create that soft but playful look. Once we were done, we wanted to now put our structure together, but we realized that the grass needed to move backwards, so we did that. Next, we built our 3 meter by 3 meter canopy tent. We connected each side to the standing poles, working from corner to corner until the structure was nicely stable. So with this structure, we needed more hands. Thank God for my mom. She's the pillar of this business. She always helps us when we need help. So she came to help me hold the other stand while Tadio was also holding on the other side. This made it easier and stable for us to put this structure together. So sometimes when the floor is not even, it's hard to put your poles, or if you're not a lot of people. So yeah, once we got the last pole, this is how the structure looked. Once that was done, we added the top to secure it tightly from side to side and corner to corner. And now we're taking you inside to show you how we tie this canopy tent inside. So the legs are actually 2 meters, so it's not actually as high as the other ones that we have. So we had to now tie from side to side, tying our and securing our tent on each side of the pole. So there's 2 tying things that we use, and yeah, that was that. Now for the magic. We created beautiful curtain gathers and tied them together using a cable tie. So the trick is to drag and pull, and as you take the gathers from the top to the middle. So while you're doing that, you do that on the other side of the other material as well. You drag and pull your gathers to make the beautiful curtain that you see in this video. Now we're doing the other sides as well. So we use the same method and the other side as well. So whenever you go up the ladder, you're also making gathers on top. So that's how we do it. Since the orange material was a little bit shorter than the others, I decided to tie where it was cut. So I don't know why this material was cut. So when we're doing our draping and everything, so I just did that, and then I covered it with my lilac, and then I cable tied the bottom part again so that you don't see where it's cut. Now it was time to do the last side. So Tadiwa did that and then put his gathers, so, and then cable tied it once it was all tucked in and held together with the gathers from one corner to the other. Then here I had to now take down the one we had done on the side, that material onto the bottom because of the other one that was a little bit shorter. So I had to cable tie the same size as that one that I had put on the bottom. Why? Because it's when you do the gathers, you need to do the same from one side to the other when you're cable tying, so that when you're outside looking in, it's on the same level. So this is how the final one looked. This is how our final tent looked. Since it was a bit windy, we added some weights to keep everything in place and looking perfect. And because of the wind, I had to pin my sides where the child was going to be sitting, or the birthday boy was going to be sitting, so that the wind doesn't go in between the curtains when the backdrops were installed. So you just pin your sides using safety pins on each side. So on each color, in between each colors, I was just pinning the sides. So you see the wind wasn't now coming in between the material, and this is how it looked. With the canopy complete, we moved on to styling. We added our backdrops inside the tent and attached the Cocomelon banner using a glue gun. So from each corner to each corner, we were just putting the glue gun and behind. So we used our banner. Today we used the backdrop that has this style, sticking it from corner to corner so that it's easy for us to remove. Look at how amazing it was looking from this angle. Now onto the table setup. We used 2 white tables and a setup sitting 15 kids with cute blue all-back chairs. We added our blue themed runner to tie everything together. Then came the fun details, themed Cocomelon plates matching the birthday cups, and of course party packs. A little tip, we place lollipops from the party packs into the cups to stop them from blowing away. Wink wink. For our centerpieces, we created balloon arrangements. We used 4 balloons per centerpiece and added a small water balloon underneath to keep them grounded, perfect for outdoor setups. We finished them off with themed Cocomelon cutouts that were looking from the outside looking into our tent. Then we also did on the other side where the birthday boy will be sitting, looking our side. Finally, we installed our balloon garland around the themed backdrop, and just like that, our setup was complete. This was the final look, and we absolutely love how it turned out. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful setup. Thank you.